Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. If you like Dollar Tree items and Bible journaling, stay tuned and I'll show you what I've done. Hey y'all, so I wanted to share with you what I've done with these items that I had bought from the Dollar Tree. I did do a small haul, and these were in that haul from the Dollar Tree. These are some stencils. They had all kinds of stencils from there, and I just picked this one really because I liked it with all the words and all. You can use it in any kind of journaling, Bible journaling, any type. And these Crafter Square watercolors, I'd never seen them before, and I wanted to try them out in my Bible journaling. Now, I did not use the brush in there. It was just a cheap plastic brush. I used just the regular, which I don't have one on hand, but it's the brush from Stampin' Up, where you put water in it. I believe they're called the watercolor pens. Stampin' Up sells. I'll try and link it if I can, because I don't have my computer yet. Once I get moved and everything, get my computer set up, I can do all that again. But anyway, I wanted to show you, I did use these watercolors. They are nice. They're not real chalky and cheap feeling. Now, I did gesso first. I wanted to show you that. And I'm doing the best I can here with trying to show all this. So I'm going to zoom in so that you can see. And I did, this is all watercolored with these. I mixed colors to get the lighter shades and everything. And so I just wanted to show you that. They do mix pretty well. And I mixed in up here. My finger's in the way. I'm sorry about that. I am trying to hold this tripod because I have nowhere to sit it. So it's like sitting in my lap so it didn't fall over. But all this, I just used that gesso that I normally use, the clear gesso, and which y'all have seen me use a bunch of times on other videos I told you about, and then I used the watercolors. And they worked really nice. Now, in the words, I did use my Stampin' Up my Stampin' Up markers, not the alcohol markers, just the regular markers for the words, because I thought it would. I have very shaky hands. I thought it'd be easier to use those because those words are so small. Well, they are bigger than most words, but yeah, my eyes aren't that great, and I've got to get some good glasses so I can see. But yeah, and then I actually highlighted with the one of the bumblebees. I'm trying to remember what color that is. I cannot remember right offhand, but I remember that was Bumblebee. And then I used one of the markers. I believe it was the same one right there. I think. It might not have been. But anyway, it was a narrow tip. Doesn't look like it's the same color, so I'm not sure. It might have been the lighter blue one. But I just wanted to show you how I did use these, and I do like them. So they worked out nice, and they mixed really well. I wasn't sure about it. I'm still looking for the watercolors that come in tubes. I haven't found those yet. So If y'all find those, let me know. Now, the stencil I also tried. Let's see if I can remember where it was. Give me a minute and let me find that. Okay, I found it. Just took me a minute. I couldn't remember what I marked it with. I've got so many bookmarks in this Bible where I've worked on it, because I always mark my pages when I've done them. So here's where I've used the stencil. So I got the words joy, faith, and love. And those were the words I used here: joy, faith, and love. And I ended up using the watercolor pencils from Stampin' Up, and they worked out beautifully. And I didn't even gesso. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I didn't use any gesso on these pages, or on this page here. I used the blender pen from Stampin' Up on this page, and I didn't even have to tape anything off since I was using the pencil. I went inside the words with the pencil and did it that way. And then, as you see, I went ahead and connected like the A and O, any of the letters that, like, see how the O's not connected, I went ahead and connected it. Same with the A. Any of the letters that weren't fully connected, sorry about the shaking, I'm trying not to shake, but anything that was not connected, I went ahead and connected it because I like that look better. But yes, that was done with my watercolor pencils from Stampin' Up. I love their pencils. They are so smooth. They are the best watercolor pencils I have ever used, and I have used some of the best pencils out there. And I tell you what, Stampin' Up's got some of the best. And you can use either the water pen or their blender pen with them, and they're just great because you can use them just dry and then just go over with that that blender pen, and like I did here, and don't even have to use water on them, or you can use water on them. There's so many different ways you can use those, so they're a lot of fun to work with. So if you're wanting to do that and not have to use gesso, those are a great way. And I can hopefully I can try to remember to link those. If not, and you're interested, just ask me and I can help you find those and tell you about those. But anyway, I wanted to show you how I had used that. I think using the pencils with the stencils would be a lot easier than trying to use paint with these, because that way you don't have any kind of bleed through or anything under here. So anyway, just wanted to share those pages with you, and I will be doing more, of course. And if you like Bible journaling, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down below. Tell me, what do you like better? Do you like the watercolor? Would the watercolor look better, or do you like pencils better? Let me know, what do you like. What type of media do you like better? And also, please, if you will share my videos, that helps my YouTube to grow. If you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you would subscribe and click that notification bell, so that when I make new content, YouTube will let you know that I've made a video, and that way you can come and watch my videos. I am really trying to grow my my YouTube channel, and you'll have to, oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry about my voice. I'm losing my voice today. I'm trying to grow my channel here and get more people to watch and everything. And I just really appreciate it if, you know, y'all would help me out with that. So with that being said, I will say goodbye and thank you, and I appreciate all of you that do watch and comment and share and everything. And y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.